Welcome. If you want to turn off Google Assistant on your CUBOT R15 Pro, at the first you have to go for the Google folder and then tap on the Google Assistant. Let's go for the more, then click on the settings. And right now we have to go for the Google Assistant, so click here. And right now we have to sync in with our account. So input your data. If you input your email, you have to go with the password. And then click next. Accept the stuff that pops on the screen. And as you can see, when we are here, we can go for the assistant, and when you scroll down, you can find phone, so click. And to turn off this Google Assistant, we have to tap on the switcher. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!